In this video, I'll show you how you can push your project to GitHub. And one thing you need to have installed, you need to have Git installed on your laptop. If you don't know how to install Git, just go over and I think search for Git on Google. So download Git and just download for Windows and just install that, and I think that's all you need to do. So right here, just go over and go to your account and sign in into your account. I don't think you actually need this, but just go over to users and you see sign in right here. Just sign in and change your terminal to Git. You don't want to use command prompt or PowerShell. You want to use Git. So change your command right here, change it to Git. So you can see I have the PowerShell, I have the command prompt, but I'm using the Git patch. So do that, change it to Git. And what you actually want to do is go over to GitHub and create a new repo. So this will be GitHub. So let's go over to GitHub and let's just try to log into your account and just try and create a new repo right here. So this will prompt us to create a new repo. So you want to supply a name right here, and let's just say Laravel basics. So we want to make this repo a public one, so let's just create that repo, and right here let's just copy this line of code. Let's just Ctrl+C that and go over to your Virtual Studio Code, and right here you can see source control, initialize repository, and right here let's just create a commit and let's just say Laravel basics. And this can be a different name from our repo name. This is just a commit. So let's just click that, and right here let's just paste our code right here and click enter. And right now we can now push this code. So let's just go ahead and push this code, and let's say git push, and we get an error. So if you're getting an error like this, don't panic, just say git push origin, because right here we've created an origin, a remote which we call origin right here. So we're going to use this origin to push whatever we want to push. So origin, and we want to push to a branch which is going to be master. So let's click enter now, and this should push everything. So let's just wait for that to load. So that is done pushing. So let's go over to our repo now and refresh. So you can see files right here. So this is the link to the repo, guys. So you can come over here and view all the source code. I'll leave a link to this repo in the description for this video, so you can see all our source code that we've written so far. You can see everything right here, and you can actually do whatever you want with this code. You can add to it, remove from it. It all depends on you. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.